Hello, today we will guide you through how to backtest on Webull. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Webull desktop platform and a built-in feature called bar replay to simulate a simple manual backtest. While Webull doesn't currently offer a full automated backtesting tool, this method lets you review historical price action as if it were unfolding live, so you can practice applying your strategy without seeing the future. Start by opening the Webull desktop app and loading the chart of the stock, ETF, or crypto you want to analyze. Make sure your preferred time frame and indicators are set up the way you normally trade. This is important because the whole goal is to mirror your real process, just on past data. Because a native backtest isn't available, think of this as a sample, hands-on approach. You'll be visually stepping through history, making hypothetical decisions based on your rules. Keep a notepad or a trading journal handy to track entries, exits, and observations as you go. That way you can review your results later and spot patterns or mistakes. At the top of the chart window, look for the replay option. If you don't immediately see it, confirm you're in the chart view with a symbol loaded. The replay control lets you hide future candles so you can assess the chart without spoilers. Click replay to open the replay controls. From there, choose bar replay. This mode reveals each bar one at a time, closely mimicking live market movement. It's ideal for testing rules like enter on a moving average crossover, or wait for a break and retest, because you're forced to make decisions without peeking ahead. Next, hover your mouse over the chart and select the bar where you want your test to begin. Choose a point far enough back so you can watch a meaningful stretch of price action. Consider matching the time frame to your strategy, for example, daily bars for swing trading, or 1 to 5 minute bars for intraday approaches. Your indicators will remain visible, but the future data will be hidden after the start point. When you're set, click the play button. Price will advance bar by bar, allowing you to read structure, monitor your indicators, and apply your risk rules. Pause whenever you need to think, review signals, or jot down a hypothetical trade. If you want to try a different scenario, stop, playback. Pick a new start bar, and play again. That's it. Until a full backtesting feature is released, bar replay on Webull desktop is a practical way to pressure test your ideas, build confidence, and refine your execution on historical data.